Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, I'm Nandita and welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. To solve all your tiffin worries, some of India's most loved chefs are bringing to you 200 tiffin recipes for 200 school days. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tandoori Cauliflower. The kids will love the restaurant-like flavor of this vegetable and the tiffin is sure to come back empty. So let us see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. So let's start making the tandoori cauliflower. So this is some hung curd. To this we are going to add a little bit of besan and then some flavorings in terms of some cumin powder, jeera, coriander powder, dhania powder. This is some Kashmiri red chilli powder. It adds color and not much heat. Salt. There's some Garam Masala powder and Kasoori Methi, which is dried methi leaves. And now we are going to add our Kissan Tomato Ketchup, which adds a lot of flavor to the dish and it also helps caramelize the cauliflower well. So let's mix this all together. I'm also going to add like just half a teaspoon of oil to this. So our marinade is ready. Here I have 1 cup of cauliflower florets. So let's just toss the cauliflower florets in the marinade. So as you can see, the cauliflower is nicely coated in the marinade and now we can cover this and keep this aside for 15 minutes. So our cauliflower has been marinating for around 15 minutes. I'm just going to heat up some oil in the pan. And now I'm going to add the marinated florets to the pan. So see how it's the marinade is stuck to the cauliflower and you get a nice coating here. So now the masala has coated the cauliflower nicely. I'm just going to cover this up and allow it to cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. So now we've covered and cooked this for 5 to 6 minutes and it's ready to fill it in our tiffin box. I love how the top has turned nice and golden brown and I'm sure your kids are going to love this. And now I'm going to add some pomegranate. And today we have some kishmish. So I hope you liked our today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network, like and share our video, and I'll be back tomorrow to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.